Welcome to a fascinating journey into the world of biotechnology and genetic engineering, where science fiction meets reality. In this video, we'll explore how these cutting-edge fields are reshaping our world. But before we'll dive in, kindly like this channel, share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Understanding the building blocks. To grasp the power of biotechnology and genetic engineering, we first need to understand the building blocks of life, DNA. In simple terms, DNA is the instruction manual that governs the growth, development, and functioning of all living organisms. Biotechnologists and genetic engineers are delving deep into this code. DNA is famously known for its iconic double helix structure, which resembles a twisted ladder. This structure was first described by James Watson and Francis Crick in 1953. The double helix consists of two long chains of nucleotides running in opposite directions and bonded together by complementary base pairs, adenine with thymine, and guanine with cytosine. Genes are segments of DNA that carry specific instructions for making proteins. These proteins play essential roles in various biological processes, from cell structure to enzyme function. Genes determine an organism's traits and characteristics. Before a cell divides, it must duplicate its DNA to pass on genetic information to the next generation of cells. DNA replication is a highly accurate process in which the DNA molecule unwinds, and each strand serves as a template for the creation of a new complementary strand. In the ever-evolving landscape of technology, the foundation upon which innovation is built lies in understanding the fundamental building blocks that make it all possible. These building blocks serve as the essential components, principles, and concepts that underpin the development and functioning of various technological advancements. Here, we delve deeper into the importance of comprehending these building blocks and their significance in the world of technology. Genetic engineering, precision, and possibilities. Genetic engineering allows us to manipulate DNA with remarkable precision. We can insert, delete, or modify genes to achieve specific outcomes. This has incredible potential, from creating disease-resistant crops to curing genetic disorders. Genetic engineering allows researchers to pinpoint and modify specific genes within an organism's DNA. This precision is akin to editing a text document, enabling the addition, deletion, or modification of genetic material with a level of accuracy that was once considered science fiction. The precision of genetic engineering extends its reach across multiple industries. In agriculture, it enables the creation of genetically modified, GM, crops designed for improved yields, pest resistance, and nutrient content. In medicine, it holds the promise of gene therapies to treat genetic disorders, cancer, and a host of other diseases. One of the most significant possibilities lies in the realm of healthcare. Genetic engineering offers the potential to prevent and cure genetic diseases by editing the faulty genes responsible for these conditions. For example, the CRISPR-Cas9 gene editing system has shown immense promise in this regard. While the possibilities are awe-inspiring, they also come with ethical and safety considerations. The responsible use of genetic engineering is paramount to avoid unintended consequences, such as ecological disruptions or unforeseen health risks. Biotechnology and healthcare. Biotechnology has revolutionized healthcare. We can now produce life-saving drugs and therapies, such as insulin and vaccines, through biotech processes. It's also enabling personalized medicine, tailoring treatments to an individual's unique genetic makeup. One of the most remarkable aspects of biotech is genetic engineering. Scientists can now tailor treatments to an individual's unique genetic makeup. This means more effective drugs, fewer side effects, and a brighter future for patients with genetic conditions. Biotechnology has revolutionized diagnostics. Advanced tools can detect diseases at their earliest stages, providing a window of opportunity for intervention. Imagine catching cancer before it spreads. That's the power of biotech. Biotechnology played a pivotal role in developing COVID-19 vaccines at an unprecedented speed, but its significance goes beyond pandemics. Biotech is transforming vaccine development, making us better prepared for future health crises. The Human Genome Project and subsequent advancements in genomics have unlocked a wealth of information about our DNA. Biotechnology enables the rapid sequencing of genomes, aiding in the identification of genetic markers for diseases, allowing for early intervention, and facilitating gene therapy research. Agriculture and food security. Biotechnology plays a pivotal role in agriculture. Genetically modified crops are designed to resist pests, reduce the need for pesticides, and increase yields. This technology is crucial in addressing global food security challenges. Agriculture is the bedrock of our civilization. It's the source of the food on our plates, providing nourishment for billions. But with a growing global population, how do we ensure food security for all? Our dedicated farmers work tirelessly to feed the world, but they face unprecedented challenges: climate change, water scarcity, and the need for sustainable farming practices loom large. In the digital age, technology is revolutionizing agriculture. From precision farming and AI-driven crop management to blockchain in the food supply chain, innovation is the key to a secure food future. Local communities play a vital role in ensuring food security. Discover how community-based agriculture and sustainable practices are making a difference. As the global population surges toward 10 billion by mid-century, agriculture faces the monumental task of producing more food than ever before. It is a driving force behind food availability and accessibility. Agriculture remains a primary source of livelihood for billions of people worldwide. It contributes significantly to national and global economies, particularly in developing countries. Ethical and regulatory considerations. As we unlock the potential of biotechnology and genetic engineering, we must also grapple with ethical and regulatory questions. How do we ensure responsible use? What are the implications for biodiversity and human health? Efforts are being made to develop guidelines and standards for fair AI, with organizations like the IEEE and initiatives like the Algorithmic Accountability Act addressing this issue. Policymakers are exploring solutions like Universal Basic Income, UBI, and workforce reskilling programs to address job displacement. Regulations, such as those governing stem cell research and gene editing, are designed to ensure responsible use and prevent misuse of biotechnology. Governments worldwide have implemented cybersecurity regulations, and industries have established best practices for data protection. AI systems can perpetuate biases, make unfair decisions, or be used for harmful purposes. The ethical use of AI involves fairness, transparency, and accountability. Some regions are considering or implementing regulations to ensure responsible AI development and usage. Ethical hacking and cybersecurity ethics involve balancing the need to protect digital assets with respecting ethical boundaries. Various regulations require organizations to implement cybersecurity measures to protect data and critical infrastructure. In conclusion, biotechnology and genetic engineering are taking us on an awe-inspiring journey into the future of science. As we stand at the crossroads of innovation, the possibilities are limitless. The only question left is, how will we harness this incredible power for the betterment of our world? If you found this exploration of biotechnology and genetic engineering as captivating as we did, please like, share, and subscribe to stay tuned for more mind-expanding content. Thank you for joining us on this scientific adventure.